Hello guys, this is Uncle DJ from Mathematical Series for Junior and Senior Secondary. Now next one we go to improper fractions. When the numerator is greater than the denominator, it is called an improper fraction. For example, 7 all over 3. The numerator 7 is larger than the denominator 3. So what do we have? It is called an improper fraction. The same thing, 7 all over 2. These are called improper fractions. Now let's do some couple of examples so that you can get it clearer. In our example, we are going to be trying to convert from one form of fraction to another. For example, what we have here are mixed numbers. We are trying to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. How do we do that? So this is basically what we do. This is a mixed number, 4 whole number, 5 all over 7. To convert it to improper fraction, what do? We first multiply this denominator by the whole number. Then we now add the numerator together with it. So let's do the process. 7, denominator 7 times whole number 4. 7 times 4 plus 5. That gives us 7 times 4 is 28 plus 5, 33. All over this same denominator, you now write it under, over 7. That's how we got it. 33 over 7. Let's do the second example. 3, 1 all over 3. 3 times 3 is what? 9. Plus 1 becomes 10. So 10 all over 3. Let's do the next one. 8 times 4, 32. Plus 5, 37. So it becomes 37 all over what? Over 8. This same 8 is what you write underneath here. So now that we've done some couple of examples, try to convert these mixed numbers into improper fraction and write your answers in the comment section. I'll check it out. Next, let's go to the second example. Express the following as mixed numbers. You can see we have improper fractions here because the numerator is greater than the denominator. They are called improper fractions. Now let's try to convert them to mixed fractions. How do we do that? We use division method. 19 all over 7 is equal to, you draw the division sign. This is a division sign. You write 19, which is the numerator. You write the numerator inside and you write the denominator outside. You now ask yourself, how many 7 can we get in 1? It's not possible. So what do? We pair the two numbers together, the two digits together, it becomes 19. How many 7 can we get in 19? You use your multiplication table to solve that one. 7 times 1, 7. 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 3, 21. 21 is already larger than 19. So what do? We step back one step. It becomes 7 times 2, 14. So 14 is slightly under 19. So we have to take 14. So we say, how many 7 can we find in 19? 2. So we saw 7 times 2, 14. We write the 14 under the 19 and we subtract. 19 minus 14 gives us what? 5. This 5 is the remainder, right? So the answer becomes 2 whole number. This 2 that is on top is the whole number. 2 whole number remainder. You write the remainder here, which is 5, all over this number that we have here as the denominator before. Will still be the denominator. So it becomes 2 whole number, 5 all over 7. It becomes the mixed number as our final answer, which is the answer. If you try to convert it back, it will be easy. 7 times 2, 14, plus 5, 19. You see, we get it back. So let's go to the second question. 20 all over 8. So you put the numerator inside. You put the numerator inside and put the denominator outside. How many 8 can you find in 20? 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 3, 24. 24 is already larger than 20, so we step back one, we go back one step. So 8 times 2, 16. That means we can find only 2. 8 times 2 gives us 16. So how many 8 can you find in 20? 2. You write the 2 here. 8 times 2, what? 16. You write it under 16. So we now say 20 minus 16 is what? 4. This 4 is the remainder, right? So we now write 2 whole number, this 2 on top is the whole number, 2 whole number, 4 all over 8. That's the final answer. But you can decide to find out if there's a common factor between 4 and 8, and there's a common factor. The common factor is what? 4. You divide both the numerator and denominator by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So the final answer becomes 2, 1 all over 2 as the final answer. Now, as the mixed answer or the mixed number final answer. Now let's go to the next question. 7 all over 5. You do the same thing. You write the numerator inside. You do the denominator outside. How many 5 can you find in 7? 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. 10 is already more than 7. So you go back one step. So how many 5 can you find in 7? 1. You write 1 on the top. 5 times 1, 5. 7 minus 5, 2. This is 2 that is under, is the remainder. Why this one that is on top is the whole number. So it becomes 1 whole number, 2 all over this same 5. Write it under here. 1 whole number, 2 all over 5 as the final answer. Now that you've done some couple of examples, now try to work these and write your answers in the comment section. In our next lesson, we are going to be working on equivalent fractions. In that video lesson, first of all, I'm going to be giving you the answers to this home task before we start the lesson of the day. I hope this lesson has been helpful. Thank you for watching and have a great day. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.